Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. In this episode, we will be covering plums. The attempt to learn the lineage of different fruit crops using both physical similarities and genetic markers began in earnest as a result of the fruit breedonomics movement. Within this movement, the first species analyzed were the apple and the peach. Being diploid in nature, these species were easy to analyze in comparison to crops that are tetraploid, hexaploid, or octoploid. This movement has since analyzed other diploid fruit species such as the sweet cherry and apricot. The European plum is a hexaploid. This makes it harder for this crop to be analyzed using common marker technologies. The European plum originated either in southeastern Europe or western Asia around the Caucasus Mountains and Caspian Sea. The genetic data agrees with the accepted model of the European plum origins being domesticated from a wild cherry plum population that may have had some black form pedigree mixed in. Since the domestication of the European plum, the species is splintered into multiple subspecies. These are egg plums, French plums, southeastern European plums, greengages, mirabelles, and damsons. A total of 104 cultivars from each of these groups were analyzed using 20 physical character traits and the SSR genetic marker technology. And here are the results. Egg plums are mostly oval and large-rooted in nature, and they cluster together with the greengages, making them the same subspecies. Smaller fruit cultivars of this type were found to have varying degrees of damson pedigree, and were likely the product of hybridization. Among the greengages, the most common is Renclaw ver. This cultivar is Armenian in origin and came to Europe via Greece. It first came to France in the 15th century and spread across Europe from there. The cultivars are generally speaking sports of the original tree, but a few hybrid forms also exist. The southeastern European plums were found to be genetically distinct from the French plums. The French plums were brought to France from either Turkey or Persia during the Crusades. Most of the cultivars are pure-blooded in nature, and are distinct from other lines, genetically speaking. But two of the analyzed cultivars had hybrid origins. The southeastern European plums have a different origin despite their superficial appearances being similar to the French plums. This lineage seems to be an offshoot of the damson subspecies, and was subsequently merged into that subspecies. This is fascinating because damsons are prominently used in processing for wines and jams. Most of these cultivars are derived from landraces found in Norway and Sweden. The mirabelles are found to be of hybrid origin, being derived via the mixing of damson and egg plums. And that will covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.